Hey guys, I am back today with another review for No BS Active. I did my first day yesterday, day one, and I used the video on their website. That was like the trial video to check it out. So it was really good. It was leg day. My legs are so wobbly, I can't even walk up the stairs. I'm in quite a bit of pain, and it wasn't even that intense, but I haven't worked out in so long. So, couple people asked me about my equipment, so I got these 3-pound weights from Target from the Balaga Lattes. See that? Balaga Lattes collection. And this lady here, she has an app or whatever too, but I'm not using her. She's too fit for me. So I have her weights, and I also have her yoga mat, and they have it at Target. And I found these on the end cap at Target in like the sports section area. So check that out. So we're going to do another video today, and we're going to see how it goes. Hopefully it's not another leg day, because I was hurting pretty bad yesterday. All right, guys. Thanks. So that was day 2, and I struggled really bad. The floor work is harder for me to do than it is to do like the cardio. I had to do a lot of the Whitney accommodation, what do you call it, modifications today. When we were doing the sit-ups, I couldn't do it all the way, and then we were doing the Superman out when I was laying on my stomach. I could only do the opposite sides. I couldn't do the whole Superman, what they wanted me to do. Today was really hard. But I think it's just because I'm sore from yesterday. But anyways, I'm really enjoying this. It's not a weight loss program. It's not a diet program. It is just a get active program, and I really need that. So whatever the results are, I'm sure there's going to be some results, but I'm not going to stress about losing weight or losing inches. So I'm pretty excited about that being not so much pressure as some of the programs that I've done before. So check out No BS Active if you haven't done so already. It's $20 a month for the subscription, and you can cancel at any time. So I'm really enjoying it. But it's just day 2, so we'll see how I keep going and see if I still enjoy it at the end.